Ayo, what's good? What's popping, everyone? Thank you for joining us. First episode ever. Finally, ite. Welcome to the Cool People podcast. Like I said, this is the very first episode ever. So if you are watching this, you are part of history. Thank you for joining us. You want to put episode, I think it's really bad, Lena, because you never forget your first heartbreak, first song, first salary, first everything. Yeah, I understand. So this will be very, very special, Guti. Thank you for joining us. If you are wondering, Uthetha Nabani, this is Khotso the Prince Kane, lakho lenqoko yechap. Isikhoko senjabulo, udidi wezaza neculture, and of course, kuki famous saying edume kakhulu abantu abatshatileyo bayayithanda bathi two is better than one. Two is better than one. Abaselayo bayayithanda nabo bezawungala umuntu bezawungala njani.
But it takes two.
Umuntu uzezotsala one ke la xesha athi ezimbili zizawabhetera. Yeah man, it means into yokubana I'm not alone. Obviously ndine co-pilot yami ozokwenza sure uba we land safely. Kuyo yonke into esenzayo nguLloyd. Abaxelele mntanami.
Kusebafethu Lloyd nama I wish I had ezaweza qonqoqo ezazi. No.
Takes time.
Great otherwise angita Lloyd bafethu Lloyd cha ubuda lapha ekhasi.
Mocho. Lloyd, I think nguwe mntakwethu onosixelela like better into yokubana siphi. I think abantu bayasibona basipha bayaziyo le ndawo. But just give us a little bit of a background if you can. Le ndawo sikuyo.
Oh no, it's not that serious, yabo.
Yeah.
Even talking about the cool people, this podcast we started Namachi, I was like, hey, we need a place like to shoot, yabo. As place is full, like yo, this so cool. Still like, sazama like for many place like as a grand, yabo. At the corner into Espana go, so I was like, hey, skhangeleni. Kage mna kam into is wesinda always dibene youth yabo like
ngakwazi
following out yami mntu ngilisa Maxhalanga
sure shout out
Maxhalanga bethi izigidi umjida yabo so it's like wathi umjida nikusefedwa man ndikuvile uba kusewuthi ufuna ushuta le way khona enye cent angihamba bayindoni igama andiyazi nangoku guys kuseni freestyle le way
sure
I was like okay ndayibona le player ngaqamba kuse hey inswem yabo igrand ekuse it's about young ekuse yabo ba okay push youth kathi ngithi hammer time khona enye way samuyibetha yabo khona nje enye way samuyibetha sinokwazi ushuta but time hayi zwakalani and we need bra abantu abanje ekasi we need
abane plugs
we need kuthiwa TBGM youth center ekuse ingase fire brigade emfuleni yabo into endiyazise emfuleni nansi into endivuyisileyo yeah bayisekasi ekuse and izonceda youngings because ndiyabona even I think yesterday when I was here they were practicing yabo I think bazokwenza theater whatever yabo so ndiyabona ba apha ekasi kuse bane player abanona
yeah we gotta keep the youth out of the streets man ibalekile lanto abantwana basenamabala ngoku which is quite sad so ipleke ezigrand ezisu like ziyanivuyisa ngandizibona yabo otherwise sizawuzama ususi formalities out of the way just a little bit of the background of who I am abantu abangandaziyo obviously
first time first episode
yeah so funeke bazithole ke Khotso ka lebitso wa Maluka efani ke Mosotho as you can already tell ke Mkwena wa Hantsane maela mangwathela ntho sa jeng sengwathe ja mpoloka kaofela isha uyithile imiriti eminyane yasohlwana let's go ke yizelo kwezinye indawo
ngikuva nokuthini but cool it sound cool
kwezinye indawo ezaziyo ngiyizelo kuphanjalo ngojulwa la endawo you understand so yeah man a little bit of background ngam and
so yabuwa
ndikhulile
yabuwa kanye
ngakubindi kumsuthu time ngumsuthu olethi ngumsuthu andiyo mix
so what's the difference between ubuwa nothini Thubeletse
ubuwa kaloku uthetha yabo uthubeletsa bayisebenzisa kakhulu nxa bengayazi ba like you understand yintoni le kanye so you understand
uthubeletsa
uyakuthiwani yakhubuluza anyway awukayithola igrand le way you understand so yeah ntate ke Mosotho mme ke Mosotho ngikhulele eMakhaza live almost my entire life eMakhaza obviously ndazomove a little bit closer up East Refere
ukela pa eMakhaza
No, ndigele. Alo since ngumSuthu.
Okay.
Izikolo zabeSuthu zimbalwa Western Cape.
Yeah, there was iHupulang, there was
ikhona iHupulang eseKhayelitsha nayo, but ayikho semaKhaza. Iko H ngoku. Yabo but mandafunda khona isese down to long time ago. Uyabo. So yeah, man, that's where I got to become, the man that I am right now. Emakhaza, yazi istrato ke sikufundisa ezinye izinto esikoleni uzifunde.
Abantwana tangela xesha abantwana babesithini bona abantwana high school days.
Hayi. Zange ndayirhasa. Zange ndayirhasa. So yeah, man, ndikhule nesisters kakhulu. I just remember being loved ngabo. Obviously naleyo into iyane challenges zayo because kwafuneka ngifunde ukuphusha inqindi ndisemncinci.
Kasi kalo.
Xa ukhule nesisters awukwazi noxela phone.
Kucelwa kuwe.
No umncane kangakanani icelwa kuwe, so it made me grow up a little bit quicker than your normal younging out there. So yeah, man, eyakho
no okay ngaliba no
just a little bit quickly nje.
Mnandi nguLoyiso. Actually yabo I've shot a lot of like podcasts yabo. I've been to like TV and they think ba never like zichaza ba like ngubani Dr. Lloyd manager kaMaili.
Quite important. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, yabo so
yeah.
So imanager kaMaili ke nguLoyiso yabo uNdengane. Yabo. Ekhayile ngapha eLady Free. Nami ngizalwa lapha eKapa.
Yeah.
Cape Town yena kuthiwa iCape Bona yabo. Ngizalwe eSamora. Funny enough. Ngizalwe eSamora time yona isuka eGugu lethu. Eoleti isuka eNyanga East. Ngizalwe eSamora then samove eNyanga eZwelitsha. Then we moved like apha eMfuleni wenhleli for like 20 close to 23 years, 24 years. Fika kodwa apha eMfuleni. Yeah, my sister was one.
Now uphile ubomi bakho bonke masiqala.
So thandile uHotman njalo then khulile lapha eMfuleni otherwise yabona khulile lapha eMfuleni kakhulu like iwezomculo like art yabo intwana zamo phani khule ndizingcwele ezantwana and adlala but brand khulele apha man like Loyiso yabo like
bese introducer ke ne nansika yethu nabantu aba behind the scenes but asikapheleli. So yeah, it's easy, man. The Cool Podcast is just a platform that will expose you to a lot of people who are doing cool things out there. We aim to unearth talent raw. But anyone who's doing cool things out there, man, you can be a DJ, graphic designer, or someone who just owns indawo ezinje, okanye soup kitchen,
even if you're a scholar, like you pass up a scale, like
that's also,
you wanna like this is a platform
for when obviously I think this is the perfect time for Abantu to flood our comments with ideas of what they would like to see. Yeah, well, because it's an episode and nathi sinazo zethu ideas, but it would be lovely if you guys can also let us know what you want to see. Your definition of cool mntakwethu ne? Akufaka ku spotlight nje kancane. So your definition of cool ungathi what cool is kuwe? Okay, what does cool stand for?
Yes. For the mere fact that I'm one of the co-founders, the Cool People.
Oh yeah. Shout out Kalele.
So I feel like that's a cool thing to do. I feel like that's a cool thing. Cool thing to do. Yeah, bruh. Like I feel like a coolness. It's whatever. Like a positive. And you feel good about it. Yeah. And it was no. Like contagious. Be contagious. Be like abantu like.
Benefitayo anyway okanye ebenza atshintshe indlela zabo.
Whatever it is, bro, like in fashion, remember Ricky Rig? He was so cool, yabo.
Lecture yethu le. If bekuthiwa ikhona university yobukhulu. Ebeza.
Yeah, like coolness ways like about Ricky Rig, even in politics. Like I remember EFF coming through, that was cool. Like
for sure.
We never saw like abantu abayang elahlobo like having this like red
fighting, and they were
fighting for us,
but ngendlela relate kuyo.
Yeah, we relate now. So I feel like coolness is whatever that's like. It was uyenza yabo. and it's positive and nabanye abantu that they can learn from yabo. I feel like
that's
yabo,
cool.
and I'm interested to know about like
yeah, pretty much I also share the same I think idea of what cool is, you know, from fashion, how you move, how you talk, obviously the impact onayo culture, you know, sikhule culture idifanwa ngendlela ezininzi uyabo, but I think nowadays it's whatever you want it to be, basically, you understand. Influence ibalulekile. If you are a cool person funeke na at least ube influential in a way, bekhona izinto nabantu othi nxa bajonga ubona okay ndinochatha, kukhona endibabonayo banochatha wami nakutshomi zami nakuhlobo banxiba ngayo and everything, ezinye ndadibana nazo zinxiba iskini jean ngoku kuyaphephezelwa,
yeah, uyazifatarisha
kuyaphephezelwa okumnandi, yeah, but so yeah, I think that's what, you know, defines a cool ubuwena, and cool is not bragging, cool is just, you know, quiet and chilled. I always bragger ngayo and everything.
I remember we were having a conversation ngoku sizoqala le podcast namajita yabo. I think you'd know about this. Because abantu when they think of into as cool, they think like the arts, like hip hop,
For sure.
yeah, that's cool, yabo. But I remember Majita saying, no, zinitha ezinye izinto ezcool. Yabo, like we need to like sizibeke upfront, yabo, like even like politics, so like abantwana bayeskela, like you can be grade 12 usuke kasi and go to a Harvard. That's cool. Yabo, like we need to highlight or season stories ezinje, yeah, for like abantu who will be like tuning in, yabo. Unfortunately, I won't be like a guest. I won't be an only host.
Yeah.
I will be host, yeah, but ndilibambela, yabo, maybe.
Hey. We've been sitting on this for the longest time.
Host?
Yeah, bro.
Host.
Yeah, whoever feels like, you know, they can jump in and be a part of this. I'll share information at the end of the podcast where you guys can, you know, email us and tell us why you deserve to be here. Obviously, you know, the platform enkulu. We call it a podcast because it falls under a category, a podcast. Otherwise, to us, this is not a podcast, a movement. You understand?
Bruh.
We want, you know, culture to change, you know, in a positive way. And I think podcasting has been one of the great platforms. So introduces into ezininzi abantwini. Because abantu honestly abazazi babafuna ntoni ide into ibe phambi kwabo. You understand? So if ever you know abantu nawe okanye you feel like ukhona umuntu odeservayo uba kule show, omaziyo, kamvusa man.
Because we do get abantu, yabo, but
otherwise what's been cool when on your side in terms of like you mentioned into yokuba manager kaMaili. Abangamaziyo uMaili, she's a female rapper. Yalapha eMfuleni, manager yakho Lloyd. Anything else cool maybe or not?
Yeah, other than okay. What's cool now, ebomini bam, other than starting this podcast? Yeah, well,
this is definitely cool.
This is dope, bruh. This is up there. This is the long term.
This is one of the coolest things. Now we're
like, so what's cool about me? Umeili is on the coup. Younger EP, like the reception is. Yo, even like the rollout your call. I don't wanna lie. Like I saw, bruh, like people is about cool, as about Bukela. TV, and even people who are mega stars today, like giving kudos to the kid, like say drop.
Yeah.
I can name drop. Like I could be most managed on the social media. Yeah, I could be on social media and Bono's door. I'm like, hey, this is Gabs at the small, bruh.
Oh yeah.
I can be like, hey, this is Amifaku. Like,
yo, that's dope.
This is Buhlem Bundalomda. Yeah, well, this is like Shoma Jozi. Baninzi that.
And what I love generation yangoku, both culture in general, it's taking a very beautiful shift to Lando Sasiyazi thini obana, in order for you to be big, you need to have certain names, project yakho.
Yeah.
I looked at the project yaMaili.
Yeah.
I think umuntu osebenza naye kakhulu April yami.
Yeah. And babonge kas.
Babonge kas.
They're growing up like those are friends.
You understand? mara it reaches to inansika abantu abafana no like the people that you just mentioned, which is beautiful. Theyayithanda le wave, man.
Bruh, those it was like the way Xhosa wave.
Let's go.
Those kids are up to something. Those kids kwi-inboxes zabo kwenzeke a new way.
And you're part of it. You're there. You're cooking with them.
I'm there. Them. I'm curating the shit.
You're very involved. So, listening session yakhe ibinge 19.
Yeah, in 19.
Ibinjani?
Bruh. Yo, best never. Sometimes abantu yazi yakwazi udawuthi marketing yakho okay marketed it's yonke iwe ngabantu bazophula up and ke ngisikhuphe namathikiti like you can't just vele uphula up yonke la weqombe hey ngele smooth ngayo smooth is Java but yesoyikisa la we but iyan mind blower xa ndibona ba ekuse abantu balapha
bazwa ke
yeah and ndinqanyile ubona even like abantu bakuthi like abesixhosa like who abenza content outside like rap they were here like
okay not just i-peers zakhe yeah okay nabanye abantu aba alright
I was like yo and we did it with no sponsor bra yabo jonga ingxaki umfula ndiyawuthanda bayeke lamarhotman benziwe emfuleni abasibiza jonga into yenzekileyo mailing wasemfuleni yabo njengoba wasemfuleni senze i-EP senze i-EP yabo anza xeba ngubani senze i-EP yabo njengoba wasemfuleni yabo sayenza i-EP senze listening session emfuleni high yava abantu kwalapha abantu bebesinceda to do all this thing ngamajita asemfuleni siyenzela yonke way siyenzela emfuleni o-MEK were there umtshana kamalume were there they're not from here yabo basuka kwezinye ingingqi yenziwa sithi siyenzela umfula but ngenye imini kubakho abantu ekuse abazixelela babona ekuse boss manqini yabo aba bantu bra into abayenzayo ekuse they celebrating 50 years yasemfuleni yaba ngqibothini kuwe ngqibothini na 24 years or 23 years lemfuleni that's half of that 50 yabo and ndifunde apha yonke into ndayenzela apha ndashuta ivideo la video ngoku ino 200k on YouTube ishutelwe up kulomfula but ba-celebrate 50 anniversary bafaka i-rappers akudala no disrespect for them but this is us abekho abantu abake benziwe on this level ekase excess yenza ku I'm not being like ndiyaflex
it's facts bro
it's facts yabo you can ungayijonga la way yabo but yabo into endenza dzas yabo into endenza dzas excess thuba but abantu no Lloyd excess you pull those crowd uzenzela ngokwakho you don't have to celebrate umfula no bra it's different I'm representing this place bra even though talk abantu abayi-3 pa
and one thing ndingaqhawulanga mntaksi one thing I can say ngomail you are also part of yonke le nto ndizayithetha ne is that she's one of the people endibaziyo who are involved noba iwe yayo yakhe I mean I saw her music video kaHoly Alpha she was one of the video victims there you understand I saw her nakwi-listening session yenantsika like she's involved when we make boys drop a project mos so she was there so ngumuntu like was avela akathi yeah as young as she is she understands into yokubana this thing is beyond just me dropping I need to also you know show abantu uba umail ngubani ndingekakhuphi project you understand ndingalindi idibe ndim or nantsike nasiphazamisa yabo but ke ndiyakuva mntaksi so how would you say Xhosa wave is received like okay so we know Cape Town big ne but how would you say it's received elento bomajozi do we still have to twist people's arms
Xhosa wave uta big ekuse iSouth Africa yonke yabo yabona ekuse is numbers oGafi umzekelo yabo a guy like Gafi would have like 100k streams kuzo zonke ingoma zakhe ezikwi-EP yakhe on Spotify
shout out
that's dope ne
that's big
but if besibig Cape Town cha bezingazoba possible kangaka kweza numbers it shows by amajita kemnaka I know amajita I see they are who they speaking with I know their future projects for like sure. They're unreleased
for sure
those niggas are in the industry as South Africa like the in. Even if I'm a piano, I'm a piano big. I believe like Xhosa wave, like even within 3 years, you would see like even like giants like okay, but like trying to like cosine the flows and everything because it will be like the new norm. Yeah, but Xhosa wave,
like why would you say in Dogbana yaba like why ingakhange iqhubekeke because sasinespaza before, right? Why do you think zange iqhubekeke ibe sesaspaza ibizwa iXhosa wave ngoku is it that different or is it a language thing okanye why is our iXhosa wave now and you know back in the days? Obviously this is a question that people can answer now with social media as you expect, but I feel like it's quite interesting in Dogbana. We had Ispaza, which was pretty much the same. You understand? Rapping in Xhosa, punchlines, everything, metaphors as Xhosa. And then over time, obviously Ispaza, bakhona breaker la ceiling. They did well. Bomajosi, everywhere else. Nalapha Cape Town, Sabazi. I think one of the pioneers, Umpizo, shout out. Pro X.
Yeah, shout out to Khotmani.
Shout out to Khotmani. So from Ispaza to iXhosa wave, why is about iXhosa wave ngoku?
I'm not sure, but I stand to be corrected, yabo. I feel like as youngings, yabo, in each generation, yabo. Niphazamisa ta. Yabo, I feel like yabona youngings. I would like umzekelo ni wena umzekelo Khotmani yabo. Ngoku ubuse like grade 8. There was no internet. There was no access but yonke into ifumane like in real time yabo.
For sure.
So I feel like amaKhotmani ayirap ngela xesha they will make it easy ba accesseke umculo so you would know them. Yabo, that's how you grew up yabo. Even if if mhlawumbe uzorap at the stage so ayibona uzo-adapter la way yabo. I feel like as kids zine-inspiration ezininzi but it doesn't change the fact uba ungumXhosa like uyinithetha isiXhosa ukhule ngesiXhosa. That's why kuzoba lula uba whatever that it is that you do uzoyenza ngesiXhosa even if it was not rap, it was like commentator yabo, like even ezinye i-craft yabo.
Sure.
So I feel like endwana mangathi endwana like amajita
They know
yabo.
what you
They know what I mean. I don't want to disrespect yabo. So la majita I feel like i-inspiration and i-world yabo like ivuleke kakhulu more than before yabo. Umzekelo before kwakuthiwa hayi amanika kathengi like when they go to a show bathini yabo, they don't buy ngela xesha lespaza. Right now these kids
don't buy what?
like alcohol like yonke way mhlawumbe they smoke weed bamemba ekoneni balinde mic. But these days these kids they bring like the girls
who was complaining? Event organizers
of course. That's why house has always been up in Cape Town because at least the DJs they have the girls. But now make boys they got the girls now. Or mainly they can bring abantu uLizzy Lane like they got the clout or F or whatever, they got the clout. That's why Bonba ayovulelwa uSjava. Congratulations to her.
Shout out.
Because it's the power of a brand yakhe. Yabo. But iqala amaKhotmani I feel like
ngo-26
namhlanje yeah uvulelwa uSjava pha people were voting
by the time this airs izabe
seyidlulile.
Hopefully singathetha ngayo kushow elandelayo if umphathi wethu uyasivumela, otherwise happy. Java is big, bro. We have to we have to talk about land.
And la Khotmani uSjava bra idlala indima enkulu like to push youth yabo, even like Xhosa no yonke la way yabo. uKhotmani like ngenye yamaKhotmani who make sure that bavula amacango yabo, like that's why even for us now like kuba a little bit easier to relate kuma KZN
for sure
yonke la way.
You mentioned Make Boys and ne artist yakho uMaili is very close nabo. How good are they as a collective?
Yeah, I feel like amajita ayasinka. Into ebalulekileyo as a collective, are you syncing like yonke le way iyenzayo like in sync?
For sure.
Yeah, even if it's madness, even if it's serious, but if you can like to find umuntu excel like uzo yabo amajita feel like ayasinka yabo like iway yabo like iqinile that's why abantu begravitate like towards bona excel because I feel like i-culture excel iyayi-rewarda like i-team spirit yabo into interested uyibona zisolo zabo bazova kanjani
yabona ke unibethe emlonyeni because I'm not sure if you are aware there's been iways thethekayo ngamaqwelas they started unfollowing each other you understand and now they are doing this omnye focused kwi-career yakhe like so you understand so ekuqaleni abantu they thought okay maybe it's a strategy they want to see amandla abo individually mara when they started unfollowing each other on Instagram that's when people were like hey. Understand? And then now bro I don't wanna lie I've had my heart broken so many times Z groups Liquid Deep one of them Tear Gas one of them I can go the list goes on and on and on and I feel like if amachita ayenzela i-growth le way they should also consider the fact that there are people who love them as a collective. As in, I can even go back as there's a group as England and Italian One Direction. You can judge me.
Okay, Morocco, ban. Oh, Nile,
oh, Harry Styles.
Yeah, na bola, man. There's a need stage.
You understand? Those guys when they separate. When those guys separated, like like, come on, you understand? So, what do you think? Like,
I feel like in nature, bruh. Yeah, but I feel like the reason why it's a collective is to see elevator even like solo things is it.
Sure.
But I feel like like push all away. Baba naive glow fact like umnandi but no silapha nje because if uwedwa as uPrince K ngintotho ndinguLloyd I won't make it mhlawumbe mhlawumbe uzothatha ixesha but xa sinodibana si create into ethile abantu ekuse would most likely to ayibona okay lewe but singalibali ba wonke umuntu ne drive yakhe kwathini yabo
egos nazo we want
and the media
I think mna as a group and maybe as someone who's close to them you can also maybe advise them in a way
sexual
now we group I think it's important to identify because we can't all be Michael Jordan we can play for Chicago Bulls but we can't all be Michael Jordan there needs to be a Scottie Pippen there you understand there needs to be who else there. So as a group, once you guys identify your Michael Jordan, give that guy props because he wins, we also win. You understand? I think the wrecking crew is that Aries, they knew but they are Michael Jordan, Mara.
Yeah,
they didn't want
to accept that.
You understand? The moment
and it's cool to
individually
accept that.
got little bit of fame, that's when obviously zininzi story abazithethayo as to the reason why they separated mara now I believe once you identify la mntu unenza nithike la mntu unenza nilandelo and I'm sure ngonithetha lento ukhona umcingayo kwi-Make Boys nawe engqondweni even if akho need ba ummention but yes
okay
kuthiwa mention who do you think is the most source
We Make Boys.
Who do you think amantombazana like they would drop? Not that it matters, we don't do it for that, but obviously now it's something that comes with fame.
Let me tell you how I feel.
Let's go.
I-Make Boys umhlaba o-ISIS when they were studying la I remember we used to like uvaya no-ISIS xa senze high school tours yaboasincedise yabo.
You've been knowing these guys ne?
Yo bruh before they started la yabo even nomhlaba umjita we-Make Boys was the one owashutume ivideo yakhe yokuqala Ghost with Slim Lane. So yabona amajita I feel like last year bayenzile yabo khona ingoma ethi Make.
Yeah, because I'm a Make Boy.
Yeah, sasibabhuke cool people amaji. We used to book them because asi-fan of Lawe babeyiqalayo.
Okay.
That time, Ricky told Ricky worldwide, signiwe. So akuchomi mos ngawuleqa million uchomi like usejozi umjini mangathi usayiniwe ndiyabonza ke ntoni but I know but there's something with usoni umjini zange ngixela uba usayiniwe maninga yabo but there's something with usoni ekuse yabo
kuthiwe sisebenzisa allegedly kakhulu
hey yabo
kuthiwe sithi alleged
umjita ekuse ngamajita akhe and zimakers bonke amajita like since fantuka but ingqina labo ngoliseJoburg yabo liyolunguza leyo iziba ilunguzayo phaa eJoburg yabo so uRicky was there but pushing the make thing. I think Flower Boy, you know, uRicky like udlale irole ba maka Flower Boy angene kwi-make because Flower Boy behlala eJoburg and uRicky kusebe move on Flower Boy kakhulu phaa eJoburg kuthiwa Banana 1 Banana 2 xa bebizwa yabo so amajita azibethelwe yamo sashekile Cape Town amajita ibetha leyo uRicky efisharish ngoke kwela cala ezifaka ii-verses zakhe yabo so I feel like kweli cala u-Isis sort of like Prince Isis hlala pha Emfuleni umjita Emfuleni 50 year celebration so nilibala enxaki so ekuse u-Isis ekuse was the one ekuse umjita ubona inye itrack umjita amabala sekasi no-MEK iqala phana ekuse then wangena kule Make Boys ubethu Make with Late Toys another Mfuleni yabo so no Late Toys babetha leyo namajita adibana onke like oLupa oLoza adibana onke amajita ekuse oCreed oSiz Solo Vibes unobiza bonke ingxaki ngabalibali zandiqhekeza kanifika pha Tank Savior yo khona way kukho inswem so amajita ekuse ayenza le way yabo akekho uRicky useJoburg yabona uRicky one thing uRicky bro ecofa ifone lakakhe
na
umjita emaketha bra umjita webe uChomi uChomi that's just phone no iPhone ayo iPhone cofa la tsotsi le way eyicofa le way umjita like umjita wenza abantu like babe captured like babe yakwazi uthengisa iID umjita ebantwini yabo especially like i-youth yabaXhosa like umntu yakwazi uyibamba ekuse uRicky walanda suka eJoburg maybe with all the experience with all the connections ayenze phaa ne-appearances akazenze phaa afika nyana apha teka ifika umjita kwabe kusekurula ukuthi umake khwe yabo ngiqala mos nithe isosi biphi ibe ku-Isis mos uRicky akekho enyathela la ntwana vumbu engena la ntwana hayi Isis uyityile hook senayo isosi yabo but yo bayiputyuza more isosi ngela xesha ekuse khona into ayishow sibindi isenguputyo ela xesha eziputyuza isosi ekuse more so xa kufika uRicky fika lawo yakhe yocofa umjita ke ngoku yabo ufika yabo umjita feel like uthe ufika ekuse i-Make Boys like azadinayeka yabo even abanye abantu bebeyibukele ngoku but azadinayeka like I started to see namajita like influential I started to see like oKhayu Osiya like which is ekuse ngamajita uRicky ekuse even back in the days of uChomi bepusha naye bona la majita like ilawe yabo so fast forward
uze kule ungayilibali leyo ba who's
got the sauce ufuna uqala yonke le way fast forward I think uRicky no Isis they share the sauce u-Isis I feel like got the sauce ne but bukho bukaRicky buyenza kube difficult ukuthi Isis is the
main
is the maker of the maker that is being made by other makers on top of make yabo I feel like you know Ricky so uyenze iqomba yabo so I feel like Isis no Ricky
it's stuff no beautiful man obviously now opinion
yami xa njongile
okay so like we said this is not a podcast it's a movement whoever you feel like should come to the show sihlale naye simazi betere drop that shit on the comment section and let us know about okay sure who should we have on next. I'm happy to have you my brother. Uyenze yalula lewe. Obviously we will have guests, we will have more episodes. But this was one of the first episodes. We're gonna wrap it up. Right? No, we can wrap it up. There's more to talk about next time.
Subscribe, guys.
Subscribe, like and subscribe. Cool People Podcast. Ubuhlele ngqala lakho lenqonqoko eChap Siboko senjabulo. Dedwezaza. Ho to the Prince K. Ngami ndethu mama Lloyd. Okay, sorry, before sihambe, anything you want to plug?
Okay, guys, make sure you check out Yonge EP, Meili Malindi.
By Meili, shout out.
Available worldwide. Shout out to Vinyl Avenue for usinxusisa abasikwazi udistributor sifumaneke emazweni. Music videos, more music from Meili. Cool People events, we're trying to like bring
Is that the
back.
only artist you are working with, Mo?
I do have ne but angikafuni iqabula.
Oh, okay.
A new artist mina engizosebenza nayo ngizophinda ngizomanage enye artist yabo, but
Okay.
I do have, it's exciting but ngafuna iqabula ngo.
Uzayigcina pipeline. Okay, no, I think you are one of the people that will give a call whenever we want to have, you know,
and your co-host,
abantu abapusha le Xhosa wave, because it's a beautiful thing, man. We lost a giant. I know ndithe sizawuvala, but we lost a giant who was doing it, spearheading the whole thing in the late Bravo Leroux. Yabo. So it's nice to see ukuthi bakhona abantu abaphakamisa iflag who are also doing the same thing. Landlele beyenza ngayo, you know. So yeah, big shout out. Yes, sizayivala ngoku. Thank you so much. This was beautiful. This was one of our first, obviously. But as time goes on, thank you so much. You are a blessing for watching this. Thank you.